Hello guys, welcome back. Looking for a reliable butane stove for indoor use? Whether for home cooking, emergencies or small spaces, a safe and efficient stove is essential. We've reviewed the top 5 best butane stoves designed for indoor use, focusing on safety, performance and convenience. Find the perfect option for your needs. For more information, like the video, comment and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And let's get started. Number 5. Coleman Butane Instastart Stove. The Coleman Butane Instastart Stove is a compact and powerful single burner stove designed for effortless outdoor cooking. With 7,650 BTUs of heat output, it quickly boils water and cooks meals efficiently. The Instastart trademark push-button ignition eliminates the need for matches, ensuring hassle-free lighting. Its adjustable burner control allows precise temperature adjustments from simmering to boiling. The durable porcelain-coated grate supports various cookware sizes and is easy to clean. A built-in wind guard enhances performance in breezy conditions. Lightweight and portable, it comes with a hard carry case for easy storage and transport. Ideal for camping, tailgating, or emergency preparedness, the Coleman Butane Instastart Stove delivers reliable performance wherever adventure takes you. Number 4. Sterno's new line of butane. Sterno's new line of butane stoves delivers powerful, portable cooking solutions for outdoor enthusiasts, professional caterers, and emergency preparedness. Designed for efficiency and safety, these stoves feature an easy-to-use push-button ignition, precise flame control, and a durable, compact design. With a high BTU output, they heat quickly and evenly, making them perfect for cooking on the go. The sturdy construction ensures stability, while built-in safety features like automatic shut-off provide peace of mind. Ideal for camping, tailgating, and food service applications, Sterno's butane stoves offer reliable performance in any setting. Whether you need a quick meal outdoors or a backup cooking solution, these stoves are a must-have for convenience and versatility. Number 3. Chef Master 90011 Portable Butane Countertop Stove. The Chef Master 90011 Portable Butane Countertop Stove is a powerful and compact cooking solution, perfect for camping, outdoor events, and professional use. With 10,000 BTUs of heat output, it quickly heats up pans for efficient cooking. The adjustable heat dial allows precise temperature control, while the piezo ignition system ensures a hassle-free start. No lighters or matches needed. The sturdy metal body is designed for durability, and the built-in wind guard enhances flame efficiency. This lightweight portable stove comes with a safety shut-off system for added security. Ideal for chefs, caterers, or home cooks needing extra cooking space. The Chef Master 900111 is a reliable and convenient choice for any culinary task. Uses standard 8 ounces, butane canisters sold separately. Number 2. SunTouch Portable Gas Stove ST 3000 with ceramic burner head. The SunTouch Portable Gas Stove ST 3000 is a reliable and efficient cooking companion for outdoor adventures, camping, and emergency use. Featuring a ceramic burner head, it ensures even heat distribution, improved fuel efficiency, and a powerful flame for faster cooking. The compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry and store, while the sturdy build ensures durability. With a user-friendly ignition system, you can start cooking instantly without matches or lighters. Designed for safety, it includes a pressure-sensitive safety shut-off system to prevent accidents. Compatible with butane gas canisters, this stove is perfect for on-the-go cooking, picnics, and travel. Enjoy hassle-free and efficient cooking wherever you go with the SunTouch ST3000. Number 1. Butane Stove. The number 1 butane stove is a reliable, portable cooking solution designed for outdoor adventures, emergency preparedness, and everyday use. Featuring a high-powered burner, it delivers efficient heat for quick cooking, making it perfect for camping, picnics, and tailgating. Its lightweight, compact design ensures easy transport and storage. The stove includes a built-in safety shut-off system, ensuring secure operation. With a user-friendly ignition system, you can start cooking instantly, no matches required. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the stable base supports various cookware sizes. Whether you're in the great outdoors or need a backup stove at home, the number one butane stove provides a dependable and convenient way to cook anytime, anywhere. So guys, that's all for the top 5 best butane stove for indoor use. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care.